It just makes you happy.
Oh yeah.
Into the cockpit we go.
Yes. Dusty cockpit.
It's good to see you have the interior back in here though.
Yeah, it's been years since it was stripped.
Yeah. So if you guys haven't met my mate Matt, we went to high school together and he managed to get himself a Supra. When did you buy it?
In Australia Day 2012.
Yeah, nice. You got that bookmarked, like the
Yeah.
anniversary.
Yeah.
Buy your car a cake every year.
Pretty much. Well, that's how I know another year has passed. Can't forget the date. It's obviously gone through a lot from being non-turbo.
Yeah, so originally it was NA, right?
Yeah,
Yep.
non-turbo, W58. Basically, chocolate gearbox melts when you put a little bit of power through it.
Yeah,
And
for sure. How many gearboxes have you gone through now?
only one that I didn't break myself. But
That's why you don't let your mates drive your car, huh?
yeah. Oh, we put it through hell that track day. It was probably going to melt whether I did it or he did it.
Yeah.
4 sessions on, 1 session off. The car really only had 15 minutes to cool down every, I don't know, 40 minutes of just
Yeah.
track time.
Yeah.
So it did all right.
Yeah.
But now R154 GTE conversion, single conversion.
Yep. And you did that all yourself, eh? With a
Yeah,
couple mates?
except for the fabrication that I can't do.
Yep. And what was that,
And
like the...
Just getting all the piping, welding welded up.
Yeah, gotcha.
Intercooler, exhausts, everything straight 3.5 inch.
Yeah, nice. So this is the first time that I've pretty much been in your car since you've owned it, eh? Like,
Yeah.
so give me your first reaction to that.
Yeah, it sounds nice.
God,
like
it
that.
sounds good, dude. It just puts a smile on your face.
It never sounded like that before.
Yeah, before the big single, hey?
Yeah.
I remember hearing it, like, it would always scream on track, but it's when you're like...
Yeah, but it sounded more like a vacuum cleaner on track to me.
True.
But yeah, it's only on 10 PSI standard computer. It's
Yep.
literally
Just
no
10 PSI.
fun at the moment. 240 kilowatts.
Oh yeah,
but-
man. I'm sure it's still
Yeah.
fun to drive, dude.
Oh, it's fun, but it's not the 400 kilowatts that it will be.
Yeah.
It can go more, but how much money do you want to spend? How much do you want to risk blowing a motor?
That's it. Because once you do one, it just snowballs, you have to do everything. You did new injectors and everything though when you did the turbo, right?
No, everything is literally stock besides the turbo.
Okay.
It's far from a stock car. It's just
Yeah. But you have
there's no
replaced it,
support. It's
injectors.
just the turbo stock level. In the past, I had with the twins when I
Yeah.
had that tuned. But
Yeah, I remember you were doing that at
yeah, everything's gone back to basic.
yeah.
Just with a bigger turbo bolted on now.
Yeah, nice, dude.
Just turn around here.
And do you have some sort of coilovers on it, or is this?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
HSD coilovers.
Yeah, nice. You can definitely feel it.
Yeah, they're not the most comfortable.
No, it's good. It's the way a car should feel, right? If you can't feel the road and it's just like a cloud, then you're driving it wrong.
I guess so. Or maybe you just want to save your spine and be comfortable.
Yeah.
Not here.
Not feel every pothole.
Yeah.
It's actually terrible driving around Sydney. That's why you need to live out west.
That's where all the nice big
better
roads are.
yeah.
I'll give it a little push here. Hopefully it picks up enough sound.
Oh man, it legit just makes you happy.
Oh yeah. I guess that was like
There's no other explanation for that. Yeah man, you just get seeded into it, eh? Like, oh man,
Well, that's 10
You're making me
PSI.
want to buy a fucking Supra now. I'm like, oh my god, damn. Might sell the GCR for it. No.
Never. I wouldn't let you.
Oh man.
I'd have to be the one buying it off you.
Okay, yeah, that's fair.
We'll come back into here in a sec.
Yeah, it sounds good.
So that's
Hopefully it's not still double the merits, I don't think it is.
that's
God,
it's
it sounds so good, dude. Like
Yeah.
you can hear it spooling so much more than before.
you can hear it purring. The twins just don't give proper sound.
Yeah, front, but did you cut the front or is it?
No, it's
that's a different.
It's gone standard front bumper.
Oh, okay, right. But you had a different one that you used on track and stuff with the. Nice.
Good time.
I'll do a quick walk around on the outside as well.
Cool.
Get you to tell me about it.
Cool.
But first impression, I want to buy a Supra now. Like, it's actually the first Supra that I've ever ridden.
Oh yeah.
As well.
Well,
So
you can take me in the 33, so.
yeah, 100%. I'll have to get a reaction shot there too. So here we have Matt's Supra. What year model is this?
95.
95?
The engine's from 93.
Yeah, nice.
95.
Yeah, good. So
Does the job.
did you switch the 93 into it, or
Yeah.
did you buy it like that?
No, the engine I bought from Melbourne off a guy that was wrecking a 93 turbo
Oh, right.
auto.
Yeah, nice. And what condition was that in when you got it? Like,
That's
did
beautiful.
it need? Yeah.
It still is.
Yeah,
Obviously,
nice.
easy to
And you
make the
haven't-
service parts, your timing belt, water pump, all the seals, everything. But
Yeah, wicked.
it's fine. Yeah.
That's so good.
It's got 250,000 Ks on it now.
Yep.
Yes.
The generic line, pop the hood.
Yeah.
Have to-
Ignore the shroud. It kind
I
of
feel like
destroyed
every
itself.
Supra owner says ignore the engine bay though, right? Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
So
I don't know how much you can see on
ignore
camera
the
because it's pretty
exposed
bright
fan
outside. But
because I will be getting a new shroud.
yeah,
That
I think
kinda
mine's the
killed
same.
itself.
Because when you, I was looking at, oh, that's up. I was looking
Yeah.
at buying a
Radiator.
Koyo as well, but I ended up going to Mishimoto because it's cheaper and I could drop it in
Yeah, that's fair.
easier.
That's fair. Well, this
So
was
what
loose and I
happened?
don't know how the fan caught it. The fan caught it, ripped itself to shreds.
Yeah,
and I'm gonna have to get another
that
one.
happened. Strop bar as well. That doesn't come stock. Obviously.
No,
You
not
put that
stock.
on.
I just bought it off a friend years ago. It looks pretty.
And this is all your work here that you've dropped in the turbo as well.
That I've paid to have done, yeah.
Okay.
All of the turbo stuff. That I
Nice.
couldn't do the fabrication, but I bought the
Yeah, of
turbo and the
course.
manifold. And
Yeah, that's wicked, man. You
So-
must have been pretty happy to go big single.
Finally, yeah.
Finally, yeah.
8 years in and
8 years in.
finally
That's how long
willing
it
to part
takes,
with some
man.
money.
You're,
No, 260,000
how much have you put on
Melbourne
it
has.
since you got it? Or what did you get it at?
I think I've put nearly 100,000 on it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Definitely a daily Supra.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
You don't buy a
It's
dream
clean,
car to
like
leave it parked.
for how much you've smashed it on track,
Yeah.
it's still pretty clean, like considering.
Yeah.
I remember your paint was a lot worse off before.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
yeah, man, it's nice.
I can't.
Definitely ripped.
Like I said, you can't own your dream car. Let it sit there.
Oh, 100%.